Bronco 911. Ooh, look at this SV.
Come over here.
Shake and bake.
You're either first or last.
Look at this McLaren. Look at like the back of that. Looks like a honeycomb. Then you got a C8. Another McLaren. Turbo S. Huracan, Austin. Oh, this. Oh, there's a Tech Art. Oh, I've never seen one.
Yeah.
That's what he was. Listen.
We're gonna walk the sides. Then we're gonna walk. Listen. Then we're gonna walk other side to take picture on this side. Okay?
No, that's what he was.
Little mini car. The green Mustang is Shmee's car. And then you got the Pogo 812 Superfast Ferrari. And something else at the end. M4 Cabriolet hardtop. Maserati Gran Turismo GTS. Red Bull, I could go for a Red Bull now. Oh my god, look at this yellow NSX stuck in traffic. And then you got an NSX behind it. Wow, look at that NSX.